Day trading this morning, making 2 trades, 1 short, 1 long, breaking it all down in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So I had a bit of a technical glitch this morning. Once I got done with the live stream, I went and got a coffee. I came back and the market was about to open. I pulled up OBS and I thought that I was recording. I thought the action was recording, but it wasn't. And then I went to finish the video and then I saw, oh my gosh, it's not recording. So this trade did not get recorded live. I'm sorry about that. My fault. But I guess I'll show you here. Ended up getting short there at 268 on ANTH. Only got 1,000 shares. I was hoping for one more kind of pop, maybe to the 280 area. We didn't get it. So then this thing just started selling off down there to 243 now, and ended up covering here at 251. That was kind of my goal, to get down to the 250 area. There was a massive buyer sitting there at 250, just kind of, I guess, pretty much trying to spoof the bid up, but it ended up getting just sold into massively. You can see the spike getting crashed down there, 190,000 shares traded. So ANTH this morning making a move from the 230 area up there to 274, getting stuck. And then I saw this here, and I was like, hey, it's not getting back to that high. Volume's getting low. I'm thinking we're going to start selling. So ended up going short there at 268. We did come back up here to the 268 area and kind of test that area. You can see kind of getting stuck there. So once I saw that we were testing that area, I was like, okay, this is looking hot. And I was hoping to add some more shares, but just really didn't really see the opportunity. I tried to get filled a couple times. I had a couple orders trying to sit there at the 272 area in case this did spike up to that 274 one more time, 275 area, which it didn't do. So I didn't get filled anymore, but I ended up getting 1,000 shares there at 268 and getting this move down here. It was bouncing off the VWAP for a little bit. You can see VWAP here, this support area. You got the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA kind of holding it up there. And then all of a sudden, boom, he broke through the VWAP. It was game on, and this thing started to sell off. We got down here to this previous support area there at the 250s, and from earlier this morning that we had kind of bounced off of. I was thinking we might have bounced there one more time, and kind of came back here and test the VWAP, but we ended up just getting all the way down there to 244. ANTH, nice little trade here. Not bad. It, you know, could have been a little bit better. Probably could have held it just a little bit longer, but still, I'm happy just to lock in that 170. It's almost 10 o'clock. And I feel like I've been doing pretty good this week, just kind of locking in these small little winners, not over trading, not forcing it. You know, one little trade a day keeps the doctor away kind of style. So I've been working on some edits and just kind of paying attention to the market a little bit. Had that trade on ANTH a little bit earlier, and then NSPR started going crazy and got this little trade here on this one. Got in there at 497, hoping for this break back above $5. It got stuck at 511, kind of double top, and I was like, oh man, why'd you do this? Why'd you get back into this? And it ended up squeezing up there to 540. I ended up only getting 503. So you can see not a very good reward on this one. The risk was really just too much. It got halted. It started going crazy. Had a big spike in volume. Was thinking we might get that break, you know, 550 area, which it ended up getting up there to 540. I was hoping for just, you know, 20, 30 cent move here, but put another $200, $300 on the board here for me. But it started getting stuck there. Got stuck at 511. Then it got stuck here at 506. And I was like, oh man, I'll just take it. I'm going to get out there at 503. There was some buyers sitting there at 503. So I was like, I'm going to take it. And as soon as I sold, look at it, 540. So this really comes back again to the idea of waiting for a good key indicator on why I'm making a trade in the first place. And obviously, you know, looking at this now, it's like I should have waited for a pullback. I kind of jumped in here a little early. Should have waited for maybe some, you know, confirmation, a touchdown off the EMA's support area. And then I would have felt a little bit better holding through this push here. But when it started getting stuck there at 511, I was like, I don't really like it. It's gonna crash on me. It's gonna crash. It got halted, and then it started moving big. And you can see NSPR up there to 540. I got filled there at 497, and then I was way too early to take profit there at 503. So ended up making $60 there on NSPR, $170 there on ANTH, $200 on the day after commissions and fees and all that fun stuff. And that's kind of my goal right now. If I can make $200 every single day this week, I'll be happy with that. I need tomorrow just to be Friday. One more green day before the weekend. Today is a short week. Remember, it's only a 4-day week. NSPR was hoping for more of an insane explosion, maybe a full just crazy dollar runner, you know, something 100% move or something crazy. Just didn't really get the action. The volume's fading. Might look to see if there's some opportunity later on it. Maybe that 525 area could be an opportunity. We'll see. Looking back here at ANTH one more time, you can see ANTH down there to the 228. So getting down there pretty much below pre-market lows and then finding some support. I covered there at 250. I got down there to 228. That's another 20-cent move. You know, wow, pretty crazy to see. You know, getting short there at 270 area and then seeing this full move here, just fully rolling off the cliff here like just a freight train just going down here. ANTH could have held this one a little bit longer. I wish I would have got 2,000, 3,000 shares on it, but just didn't get the fills that I needed. And I'm just going to call it a day there. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm going to go get some lunch, and maybe I'll come back later and then come back later, work on some videos. But, you know, this week I've just been focusing on small wins every day, just focusing on those small wins, taking profit, end of the day green, and it's been working for me. So I just need to keep that up, and I just need to keep that up here and focus on those small wins every single day, adding up into a larger and larger, you know, amount of money made. So if I make $200 every single day, 5 days a week, that's $1,000 a week. Add that up pretty quickly. You know, I'll have days obviously where $200 is on the low side. You'll have a day where you're gonna make more than $200, like yesterday, making more than $200. But in general, it's really just about kind of aiming low and then winning big, right? That makes sense. Aim low, win big.